Today we are making the easiest meal prep breakfast for the week. Let's go. Into my bowl, I'm gonna be adding a little over 2 cups of this pancake mix right here. Just make sure you're using a pancake mix that only requires water. And then we're gonna add some water. Let's go ahead and give that a nice stir, get that all incorporated. We're gonna let that batter sit and we're gonna head over to the stove. I've got my pan heated up. We're gonna add a little oil to our pan and then we're gonna crack 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're just gonna go ahead and scramble these eggs up. And then I'm just gonna transfer those eggs to a bowl. Okay, so now we let that batter sit. You can see it is super fluffy now. So letting it sit is very important. To our batter, we're gonna be adding some maple syrup. I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of maple syrup. I'm gonna be adding 1 cup of cheese. Now I've already ground up some sausage. We actually made some pizza last night and we added this on top of our pizza. So I have this left over. You could definitely use some Jimmy Dean sausage if you had it. But we're just gonna add about a cup of that into here. And then we wanna give this a nice stir. We're gonna get all of this incorporated. Oh, it smells so delicious. Oh, I can't wait to try this. And then we're gonna bring over our eggs. We're gonna plop those in there and then we're gonna get that incorporated and mixed in. Oh man, I'm so excited about it. And then we're gonna add a little bit of pepper. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Like probably about a 1/2 teaspoon of each of those and then give that a nice mix. Now I have my muffin tin. We are gonna be adding about a 1/4 cup of this mixture inside of the muffin tin, or basically just kind of filling this up. Now I already have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. It made 12 muffins perfectly. We're gonna bake these in the oven at 400 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes. We're just looking to get the tops nice and golden. Now it's time for the taste test. Look how good this turned out. I put a little maple syrup right on top just to give it that extra pizzazz, that extra special yumminess. Okay guys, this is gonna be so good. I can't wait to try it. Woo, look how nice and fluffy that looks. This reminds me of McDonald's, those McGriddles, you know, you get the pancake, you have the sausage and the egg and the cheese. This reminds me of that so much. It is so good. Y'all remember we had the sausage, the cheese, that pancake batter in there. This would also be great for meal prep. You could put these in little baggies and freeze them and then pull them out when you need them. And I think this would be great also if you have people coming in for the holidays. Go ahead and prep these early. You've got breakfast for them. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to see another recipe, click on the recipe right here.